Okay, now we are going to work on rationalizing denominators and numerators. Square root of 10 over square root of 7. Just like we can't leave the answer of x in the negative form, we can't leave it in like that, right? We will multiply by -1 both sides and get positive x, right? The same way we cannot have radical or square root in denominator. So we need to get rid of radical or square root, meaning we need to rationalize how we are going to do. So if I have, let's say, square root 7, what can I do to get rid of square root? Multiply by another square root 7, right? And I will get clean 7. Okay, I'm going to use the same method here with the difference that since it's a fraction, whatever I will change I'll do to denominator, I will do the same change to numerator. And as a result, I will get on the top, I will get square root 70. At the bottom, I will get clean 7. Okay. Square root 70 divided, no, I don't need. Square root 70, I moved. Yeah. I need to get rid of this highlighting, I think. There we go. Divided by 7. Next question. Square root 25 over x. Okay. The whole thing. Okay. So, based on properties of radicals, square root 25 over, let me write down in the form of property, a over b is equal square root a over square root of b, right? So which means here I will get square root of 25 over square root of x. And again, I'm going to here multiply square root of x and times also square root of x. And here I am getting clean x underneath, and on the top square root of 25 it will be 5, and square root of x will stay under square root, right? Okay, so we are getting 5 square root of x and highlighting the whole thing. There we go, divided by x. Next question. 5 over square root of x. Okay, well, we already know, right? So I'm going to multiply, divide by square root of 2x, which is going to be on the top 5 square root 2x. 2x. Okay, and then highlighting the whole thing, forward slash, divided by 2x, right? Okay. Next one. Okay, so I can separate square root 3x divided square root the 17x. So I need to multiply and divide, right? Square root the 3x times square root 17y. Okay, let me do it. 3x over 17y. Okay. So first of all, I'm separating. Next, times 17y times 17y. So here I'm getting 51 xy. Here I'm getting 17y, right? 51 x square root. I think it's too late. Yeah, I have to rewrite again. xy okay, highlighted, divided by 17y. Next one, what do we have? Rationalize. Okay, cubic radical 5 over 3. So it's gonna be cubic radical of 5 divided by cubic radical of 3, right? That means here we are multiplying cubic radical 3, right? Here also cubic radical 3. I think I need to do cubic radical 3 squared because I need 3, right? 3 times. So here is 1, here is 2, will be 3, right? Now, therefore, it's going to be also squared. And we are getting here, let me go slow this time, cubic 3 to power 3, right? 1 plus 2, correct? And here we are getting cubic radical 5 times 9, right? 3 squared is 9. And we get cubic radical 45. And underneath will be only 3, right? Because we have here 3, here we have here 3. So 1, 3 will come out. And 45, there is no number cubed giving me 45. So it's going to stay like that. Okay. Cubic radical, let me zoom, 45. Okay. Over, what did we say, 3. Next one, number 6. Well, it's same way, square root 3x, square root 175. So we're gonna get 175 times 3x, right? Because in numerator I'm going to multiply. And I'm getting square root 525. No numbers, square root 5 to 5, right? Let me see. No, so it's gonna stay underneath and underneath of square root. That's not right. Okay. Let me see. All right, we got it. Underneath will be 175 clean. Yes? Okay, there is a free x. Okay, let me put x before I get it wrong again. I got wrong anyway. 175. Okay, maybe I think I can take out something from 525. Let me see. 5 to 5. If I divide by 25, 21. Okay, so 525 is 21 times 25. Let me write it here. if you don't know, let's say I figured out if it's ending with 5, I suspected that first time I tried to divide by 25, it gave me some fraction. Maybe I did something, I had in memory of calculator something, but that's okay. So I figured out 25 times 25. Let's assume you don't know uh, how much will come out. So you go slow. 525 divided by 5, right? Definitely. It's going to be 5 by 5 is 1, 2 by 5 is not divisible, and 25 by 5 is 5, 105. Okay, next, 100 ends with 5, that means we can divide by another 5, right? It's going to be what? 21. Well, 21 is, it's not, it's divisible by 3, gonna be 7 but divisible by 7. So here out of this 5 comes out, and underneath 3 times 7, which is 21. Same thing, 5 comes out, 21. Now we had at the bottom 175. Evidently 175, since it the ends with 5, we can divide by 5 also, right? It's going to be 17 by 5 is 3 times. Remainder is 2. 25 by 5 is 5. So it's going to be square root 21 over 35. Okay, let's fix it. (21). Here it's going to be 35. Okay, so it wanted to simplify. Next one. Okay, this is gonna be let me see, 75. So on the top is gonna be, let me do it drafting so you can understand. One over square root 75. What was that? What letter was that? Although it doesn't matter, any letter I could see later, but 75z. Okay, so it's gonna be square root 75z over 75z, right? Now 75, I know it's definitely 25 times 3, right? Times z. If you don't know, again, you can go by 2, 3, 4, 5, so divide by whatever you can divide. And then see where you get what you can take out. 75z. So it's going to be 5 square root 3z over 75z. 75 we can divide by 5. 1 times 15. So we get square root 3z over 15z. Square root 3z over 3z. Let me see. What did I have? 15z, okay. And the last one, oh, we solved it. That was last one. Okie dokie. See you next video.